Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, good evening and hello from Asad Yaqub. And here I am once again for you. And hopefully, you guys are all right. It's quite cold here in Lahore. And you can see I've taken this shawl to, what do you say, beat the cold. And still, it's like quite cold weather and but still I'm enjoying. Yeah, it's okay. These are the seasons by nature, by almighty, so I'm actually enjoying all the seasons. Yes, please, you can ask questions. I'm here to answer your questions. So whatever the question you have, you can ask, and I would love to answer your question. Okay. Yes. All right, actually, yeah, this is the problem. Now it will charge, hopefully. My mobile is on low battery, so I've just. How to manage time in reading? Okay, you can only manage time in reading if you follow three things. Number one, you have to scan. Number two, you have to skim. Number three, you have to read. And if you're going to reverse it, first you read, then you skim, then you scan, then you will not be able to manage your time in Ielts reading, and then as a result it will take a lot of time. You know what happens when you fail to manage the time? Basically you read excessively, you read aimlessly, you read without any purpose, and then it becomes difficult for you guys to manage your time. So if you read the question and scan the passage, and once you reach where the answer is, and then you start your careful reading, then you can manage your time, right? So for this, it's a good idea to find clue words from the questions. Once you find clue words from the questions, then you can scan the passage for those clue words, and there you can find the answer. Sirra Zone, let me tell you, they don't have any cue cards as per the month. Cue cards for January, cue cards for February, cue cards for 2020, cue cards for 19, what do you say, 2019 and all that. They have the cue cards, and these are somewhat the same cue cards which they ask you. So that's why it's only like we fuss about it, that these are cue cards for January, February, March and all that. They don't have anything like that. Okay, so they may repeat the cue cards as well, so they can be any cue cards. Just be ready to answer any cue card whatever they give you. Okay, some tips for spoken English. Remember, good listeners are the good speakers. So that's why try to listen to English as much as possible. And when you listen to English, you must listen to standard English, because if you listen to standard English, definitely whatever goes in from here, that comes out from here. The language I'm speaking right now, the same language went through my ears and now it comes out of my tongue. So that's why in order to start, you should listen. Okay, then there is a question about concentration. अच्छा, आज आप गुरुद्वारा गए थे, that's good. How we can concentrate to listening? Okay, well, as far as this concentration thing is concerned, you need to switch on your visualization. Do you guys want me to speak English or Hindi or Urdu? Just tell me, okay? Then I speak accordingly. Hopefully my mobile is not going to die. Yeah, I hope so. It's charging. Let me just make sure. It's coming down. I don't know what to do. I can't even change the place where I'm sitting right away. All right. So let's see. If it is going to go down, then I'll come back again. So guys, you were asking me about, I just forgot, English. Okay, you said English, Urdu, English, mainly English. All right, I'll talk. So any other question? Exam prediction for 4th January. Okay, I'll give you prediction for that. And I have not made any prediction video until now, but tomorrow I have a recording day. Usually on Fridays and Saturdays I do recording. Wow, Arsalan is from Australia. Thank you, Arsalan. Thanks for watching my videos. So Today, actually, guys, I'm uploading videos on reading these days. And today, again, I uploaded a video on reading. So these videos will help you a lot. I mean, reading is tough, academic reading is tough. And by the way, whether you are academic or gender training, whenever I upload a video on reading, you must watch it. Yes, I was telling you about concentration on listening. Okay, listen. Whenever there is anything about listening, what you guys need to do, you have to visualize. Actually, whenever they give you any topic, on top they write the title, right? So for example, cooking course. Now you can start visualizing, all right, there is a cooking course, cooking classes, there will be different dishes, different programs. So you can just visualize that, okay, there are cooking classes, this and that. So once you visualize, and then as you read the question, put that information into your imagination. I mean, you got to put all that information into your imagination, and once you do that, definitely you can easily answer the questions. Same is the case with reading. Whatever you read, the title, the subtitle, whatever you read in the passage, even when you read the questions, when you read list of headings, you have to visualize them all. And once you visualize, then it's going to be easy for you to actually find the answer. Okay, so how much your fee? All right, I can send you the details about that. Exam prediction, fine. Now, any other question? Rohit, you can send me a message. Why are you not uploading reading challenge tests? Okay, that's a good idea. I'll do that. The other day, Shaila was asking me that now you're not doing it. So I'll find some new material, and from there, I'll send you reading challenge. I'll try to do it probably tomorrow. Okay, so I'll send that. How to attempt task 2? Okay, listen and remember. As far as IELTS writing task 2 is concerned, for that, the first thing is read and understand the topic. I've read a book that is called IELTS Teacher. In that book, IELTS examiner, real IELTS examiner, actually complained that many candidates write their essays off the topic. When you write off the topic, then at the end you get 5 band or 5.5 band, right? Task achievement is very, very important in IELTS. So that's why read the topic very carefully. Then you must know proper paragraphing of your essay, how many paragraphs, introduction, how to write paragraphs, and do not use any prepared answer. Do not use any template. Do not use any sentences or any words that you want just to impress the examiner and all that. Whenever you try to do so, you always end up with low bench score. Okay, so that's why read sample essays, and when you read sample essays, just read good samples, good specimen, good model essays, and try to imitate them, but do not copy anything in your essay. Do not use anything forcefully so that you could get good bench score. This is not the case. All right, you're asking about writing tips for general IELTS exam. For general IELTS exam, I've made some videos on letter writing, and this essay writing tips, they're going to work out for you all. Okay, yes, please. Anyone else? Speaking make ऐसे confidence gain करें. All right, in order to gain confidence in speaking, try to speak as much as possible. Speak with your friends. You need to collect all IELTS speaking part 1 questions, right? And then give those questions to anyone, to a child, to your parents. I had a student like Reshma Lala. She used to have speaking tests with her mother. So why don't you do that? You can give it to anyone, to a friend, to a cousin, to anyone who is literate, who can read English. Ask them ki ye questions, and please ask me these questions and I will answer. So this is how you can do it. How to decrease speaking pace. You decrease your speaking pace, it's fine. Okay, all right. And how to improve spelling? Yeah, in order to improve your spelling, you have to read carefully. Every word you read, look at the syllables of those words, because spelling are wrong just because of the syllable. Once you read the syllables carefully, for example, if the word is unfortunately, look at each syllable. And when you read, just look at the spelling as well. And as you are traveling, going anywhere, just read the